Friends, I am K. Praveen Rao, once again in front of you with a new video on birds. This time it is a video on birds of Uttar Pradesh. Friends, I worked as forest officer in the state of Uttar Pradesh for about 34 years. I was trained in Indira Gandhi National Forest Academy, Dehradun, and was allotted UP Kada. Birding was my serious hobby, and I also took to serious bird photography since 2005 when the digital cameras have come. The state of Uttar Pradesh has around 500 birds which are both resident as well as migratory. I could watch around 50% of them during my stay in Uttar Pradesh. Friends, I have photographed many of them and I am trying to portray those photographs through this series of videos. Kindly watch those videos, and if you like the content, please give a thumbs up. And I also request you to subscribe to my channel so that whenever I come up with a new video, you will be notified. Thank you friends. Thank you so much.
Friends, the state of Uttar Pradesh is geographically divided into three major regions. Northernmost is Shivalik foothills and terai region. The terai has high water table, rich forests and grasslands interspersed with water bodies and marshes. The middle portion is a major portion of central Gangetic plains. The river systems of Ganga, Yamuna with its tributaries in the vast plains of the state are the major source of irrigation, and the oxbow lakes formed along the course are the rich habitat for birds. The southernmost region is Vindhyan range and the plateau. These are the southernmost hills and mountains with scanty rainfall. These areas give a picturesque look during monsoon when the ground flora becomes green and the waterfall all along the hills amuse the visitors. These geographical regions help in different types of habitats like grasslands, marshes, forests, wetlands and their ecotones. These are inhabited by different species of birds, and the network of wetlands attract the migratory birds from northern Asia in the winters. Thus, the species diversity of the state increases during winters. The maximum number of bird species observed in the state so far is 550 according to eBird. I have compiled the birds which I could photograph in the state for the benefit of birding birders, which helps in identifying the bird. Hope this video will help the hobbies and motivates others to take up birding. Friends, I am coming up with videos on nature and wildlife. If you like the concept, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like the content of the present video, please give a thumbs up. Thank you so much.